Hi guys, in this video we will see how to check your blood oxygen level using the Apple Watch. I will show you a step by step how to use the blood oxygen app on your Apple Watch, what the reading mean and which Apple Watch model support this feature. So here are the process. Go to your iPhone. Here open Watch app. Here scroll down and look for the feature blood oxygen. Scroll down and you will find blood oxygen. Tap on it. This health app determine your blood oxygen levels throughout the day based on data recorded by your Apple Watch. So turn the toggle button on against blood oxygen recordings and also other features in focus and theater mode also turn on this feature. Thereafter go to your Apple Watch, turn it on and go to app section and here look for blood oxygen app. Tap on it. This blood oxygen app has changed. You will now find blood oxygen results in the health app on your iPhone. Tap on done. Here are some tips that can help you take a good recordings. Tap on next. Make sure your watch is not too low on your wrist. Your watch band should be snug but comfortable. So put your Apple Watch on your wrist. It should be comfortable and not close to your watch band should be snug but comfortable. After that, scroll and choose next. Keep your watch facing up and try not to move. Resting your wrist on a table can help. So rest your wrist with the support of a table. It should not be moved. So keep the wrist in your table and thereafter tap on neck. Done. Now your blood oxygen level is measuring. It will take 15 seconds. So wait till 15 seconds. Your blood oxygen level is measuring by your Apple Watch through health app of your iPhone. After that, recording complete. Open health on iPhone to see your results. Thereafter, go to your iPhone and here go to your health app and here you can see a notification you will also receive. Your blood oxygen level is successfully recorded. So simply in search field you can type blood oxygen or simply oxygen and you can see result. Your blood oxygen level recording result will appear here. So you can see a detailed report also here and you can easily take or measure blood oxygen level through your Apple Watch.